What's up? Y'all told me I was coming, but I actually forgot. But come on anyways. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. I'm about to lay it out with some bomb ass clothes, a bomb ass layout. Y'all gonna love it. And why am I talking like Tupac? I don't know. Welcome back to another video. I'm Rio and I'm about to give you guys a tour of my office / closet. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Come on. The focal point of this room is of course going to be the closet. This closet system is called the Pax closet system from IKEA. And I have 3 separate hubs that I combined together. What I decided to do is put all of my outerwear in this corner back here. It's starting to get a little bit warmer. And all of these are things that I'm slowly not wearing as much, so I just put them kind of back here in the corner. So I have my overcoats, my biker jackets, denim jackets, and then I have my hoodies. So y'all know I love to wear black, so I have a pretty nice, decent selection of black hoodies and then my gray hoodies. And then y'all also know I love my flannels, so we have a nice, decent selection of those. And then we transition into just the everyday casual pieces, which would be your basic t-shirts. I mainly wear a lot of plain t-shirts, so that's a lot of what you're gonna find in here. A few graphic shirts, yada yada yada. And then we enter the grays. Because y'all know my style is very just neutral, especially for my basic pieces. We gotta have the black and we gotta have the grays. Those are definitely essential. And then I finish off with the rest of the t-shirts. You know, some brighter colors, things like that. Then I just threw some extra all over print t-shirts, which I don't wear as often. These are gonna be some of my blazers. And then this is my big Alpha Industries coat, which isn't down there because I've been wearing this more because we've had a brutal winter. And this is definitely keeping your boy warm. So now we're gonna move up from the closet. And as you see, I have quite a few different things stored on top. To the left of it, I have my Saint Laurent SL10s. Y'all know I love those in black and white. Then I have a few different Chelsea boots. These are some Topman, Walk London, my Gucci slides, some River Island Chelsea boots, I believe. And then these are gonna be my black ASOS Chelsea boots. A few different hats up here. These are gonna be my most worn dad hats at the moment. So I got the Nike joint on deck. Y'all definitely have seen this one, the Yankee. I wore this in the Goodbye to Rio de Janeiro video. I'm sorry guys, he had to go. The new emerge, I am Real P, is here to stay. This one, I actually don't even know what this C means. I'm not sure. I bought it because I'm in Columbus, Ohio. Of course you know, Columbus starts with a C. I like the block letter, so I bought it. Y'all know the classic Dodger is always a must, and then the Raiders joint, definitely a must. Almost forgot about this one. I'm dropping hats. If you've seen Above the Rim, you definitely know what this one is.
Stop complaining! This here's a man's game, all right? Good night, boy. Good night, boy.
Tournament shootout, classic. All right, so those are just some simple dad hats. Putting those back up there. Then I have some fedoras and pork pie hats. And then, of course, this is what I use to make the magic. So I'm using my Canon 80D with one of my lenses on it right now. But I have a couple small vlog cameras and then some other lenses that I use to create content. We're not even gonna get inside of this one, but this is a whole slew of snapbacks and dad hats all inside this plastic zip storage thing. It really helps keep the dust and all that stuff off the hats. Definitely a must. Over here, these will be some of my recent pickups. This black Cement 3s right there. The Vans also me pick those up. This one, these are actually fairly new. Y'all haven't seen these yet. So these will actually be some Bordeaux Presto utility joints that I just picked up. Got a nice little deal on these. This is my second pair of Prestos, and I must say, these things are clean. Putting these back up. Over here, I have a couple little quotes that's near and dear to me as far as the fashion industry goes. The first one says, in order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. If you're creative, you definitely know a thing or two about that. In order to really stand out, you gotta come with different things. You can't copy what somebody else does. Just try to be yourself and that'll help get you far. And the second quote is gonna be, fashion changes, but style endures. That's pretty self-explanatory. Let's move to the bottom of this closet. So when I designed this, I opted to do the glass front drawers. And the first drawer right here is nothing special about this drawer, but it contains some of my pajama pants. Over here, these would be some crew necks I just picked up. I actually showcased the gray one in my ASOS haul. And I since then picked up a few other colors. But that does it for this drawer, nothing special about it. The second one, nothing special about this one as well. This one contains some pretty old pants and shorts that I really don't wear anymore, but I haven't committed myself to get rid of them yet. And the last one will be, it's kind of weird to put duffel bags in a drawer, but I decided to put my 2 Mayer duffels inside here along with my toiletry bag. So these bags really come in handy. I actually use these to film some lookbooks or take photos, and I need to take a couple outfits with me. So I just throw them inside here and it makes for very easy packing. And then to the left of those drawers, I have my jeans, and this spot will be located right underneath the flannels. So I decided to organize my jeans from black to the lightest. My black section is gonna be a lot bigger than the rest of them. All the black jeans, the dark denim to the light wash. Y'all would have seen all of these in my denim video anyway, so if you want to know more about what these are and what brands they are, go ahead and check out that video. But that does it for the jeans. These are gonna be my sweats and workout gear. I have some Nike hoodies, well actually all Nike hoodies, some sweatpants and track pants, and this is, you know, this is my cozy attire. So whenever I want to be cozy, I just come in here and grab some of those. This would be a lot more workout clothes. Yeah, I know I've been in the gym pretty heavy lately, so I got my workout tanks here, some of my shorts, compression pants, and then I don't know what this stuff is over here. I'm not sure what it is. These are some old t-shirts. Old t-shirts, hoodies, stuff like that. These are the rest of the jeans that wouldn't fit over there. And most of these are gonna be old jeans. Y'all saw all of them in the jean video. Most of these I'm selling, like I said in that video, but yeah, just old stuff. Okay, so we just finished up on the right side of the room, so that's the closet area. In the center of this room, I have my computer, which is my workspace. So this is where I edit sometimes, create those bangers that y'all love so much. No, I'm just joking, man, I'm just joking. I try to do what I can to create content that you guys will enjoy, and that's really all that matters. So if I'm not working on the MacBook, I'm usually sitting right here trying to get some things done for you guys. And it's a nice, decent space. I like it. It's very clean and organized, just how I like to keep it. But yeah, there's not much to say about it. And then we transition to the left of the room. These, of course, are gonna be my prized possessions, all of my sneakers. And it's really not even all of them, but you know, of course, the majority of them. I guess what I would say is what built my following on YouTube. Of course, most of y'all love sneakers. I mean, I love sneakers too, don't get me wrong. At this point in my life, I don't care to create content about them. Y'all know I have a crap ton of shoes. mostly Jordans, retros. Y'all know what I like, y'all know how I get down. And I mean, there's not really too much to say about them. I have them organized pretty much by number. I have the ones over here, then I break down into, of course the boxes are gonna be in order as well, just based on the years that they came out. So the ones usually come out in a certain box, then these will be the black boxes that had the Jumpman logo on them. So I definitely kept all those together. And then I have some 4s, then I think it breaks down into 5s, then 6s, goes over to 3s over here. So just keep it all in order. Of course, the old Jordan boxes are together. All of the face boxes are together. So keeping all that stuff very true. These boxes, which I think were like circa 2005 or something, or maybe 2004 to like 2007, something like that. I could be wrong. Every time I do this, I can never get stuff back in. Probably one of the most frustrating things about trying to find shoes to wear. But I finagle it and make it all work. Everything just color coordinated. It does help make things easier to find, but at the same time, it's really not much to say. They're just shoes. And then at the back of the room, on the opposite side of the fashion quotes, I have my calendar. Now I actually found this calendar at the beginning of the year, of course, because that's when you buy calendars. But I found it in the back of the stack of calendars, and then when I saw it, I was like, this is perfect. This is definitely gonna work. So it actually has sneakers as the days. So every single day of the year, it has a different model and a different type of shoe showcase, which I thought was really dope, so that's why I got it. But nothing super crazy, just a calendar, still dope. And of course, a closet room could not be complete without a full body mirror. So you know I had to make sure this room had one of those. And this is located to the right of the sneakers, right behind the door. And then to cap off the room, I had to make sure it was complete with a TV mounted on the wall. And this is right across from where I sit and work. So a lot of times I just have stuff on, mostly muted. I was actually watching The Chi. I have it muted on in the background right now. And that's the room. Alright YouTube, you came, you saw, we conquered. Hope you enjoyed what you saw today. Everything my closet room and office room had to offer. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, drop a note in the comments, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you do so, and don't forget to hit the bell. Other than that, I think y'all seen enough. Get out of here. I don't know how to close doors.